This is the Whole Child Committee's third quarter SIP update. These are our IndyStar indicators for this school year.
So far, we have 13 tasks up to date, including school-wide Capturing Kids' Hearts training, compass card displays, recognition and rewards, character ed assemblies, dojo, Capturing Kids' Hearts trainings and staff refreshers, a fall mini conference, SIRS data analysis and updates in the weekly memo, positive office referrals and star displays in the hallway, Capturing Kids' Heart and whole school child surveys, Capturing Kids' Hearts Model School nominee, and Capturing Kids' Hearts January Jamboree, and the Capturing Kids' Hearts Showcase School Walkthrough.
In January, the Capturing Kids' Hearts Process Champions led the January Jamboree with all classrooms in the building, and we led a presentation to the students and gave them a survey.
To look a little bit at our SIRS data analysis. When looking at third quarter, we have had 38 major referrals and 59 minor referrals, which makes a total of 97 referrals. When looking at our location, we had noticed that the majority of our referrals are taking place in the classroom, with 73 referrals there. When we're looking by by time of day, you notice that kind of our middle of the day and that 2 o'clock hour seem to be our biggest time for referrals. So when we're just comparing it to quarters in the past, we've noticed that we're following a similar trend each quarter, with our majors going up slightly from second quarters, but our minors and our totals going down. Specifically, our totals, second quarter being 128, and third quarter we've moved all the way down to 97.
So, there's no word. So far this year, we have accumulated 516 during the third quarter compass cards and 1,742 compass cards for the whole school year.
Quarter 3, the school continued to give positive office referrals to students and communicate back home to parents. In quarter 3, our school gave out 154 positive office referrals, exceeding our goal of 100. As we continue into quarter 4, we'd like to continue our goal of 100 positive office referrals. Please work to continue to recognize our students who are exceeding in their MAPS expectations and nominate them for a positive office referral. As a reminder, once you've written a positive office referral, please turn it into the office in the folder behind Miss Memory's desk and email either Miss Taylor for 4-5 and Mod, Miss Hauschild for pre-K through first, and Miss L.E. Perez for second through third grade to get a star put up onto the wall.
Our next steps are to continue with Capturing Kids' Hearts and class dojo support, continuing with weekly compass card counts and announcements with rewards, continuing SEERS data analysis, identifying frequent flyers, positive office referrals, Capturing Kids' Hearts continued training, positive office referrals, and materials to teachers for Capturing Kids' Hearts and Excel. And lastly, 100 positive office referrals for quarter 4. That's only 4 referrals per teacher. You can do it. So, just do it!